Mom, hello. My name is Mr. Lee and this is my son, Peter. He is not feeling very well. Nurse, I see, Peter. What is the matter with you? Peter, I have a stomach ache and I feel very hot. Nurse, let me check your temperature. Oh, yes, it is quite high. You must wait and see the doctor. Mom, will we need to wait long? Nurse, perhaps 10 minutes, but please take a seat in the waiting room first. 15 minutes later. Nurse, Peter, the doctor can see you, no? Doctor, hello, Peter. The nurse tells me that you are not feeling well and you have a high temperature. Peter, yes, I have a terrible pain in my stomach and I am sweating. Doctor, what did you eat today, Peter? Peter, I ate bread and jam for breakfast and had some eggs and chicken for lunch. I didn't eat anything else because I started to feel unwell. Mom, you didn't eat the eggs that were on the kitchen counter, did you? Peter, yes, I thought they were for me. Mom, oh dear, no, they were not fresh. So I put them on the counter, but I forget to throw them in the bin. Doctor, will that would explain why are you feeling sick now? You need to go home and stay in bed. Drink plenty of water and don't eat any food until tomorrow evening. Also, take these tables to bring down your temperature. No school for you tomorrow either. Peter, thank you, doctor. I will go straight to bed when I get home.